At the Upper Deschutes Watershed Council, we believe that the world is a better place with healthy rivers and streams in it. We also know that streams like Temelo Creek help make us better humans. Our youth education program is called the Upstream Project. We call it that because our type of outdoor hands-on education isn't always easy. Sometimes, just like a salmon swimming upstream, it's challenging and hard. However, we know that it is always worth it. We connect youth to the natural world through hands-on learning. We guide them to dig in the dirt, wade in the water, get their hands dirty and their feet wet to develop a sense of place, an informed and empowered sense of connection to our rivers and streams. We do this by working with local schools, community groups, families, and churches. We coordinate programs for kids of all ages. We have developed flexible programming and we partner closely with teachers so that it works for them to get their students outside to learn for a day or a half day. Our goal is to help kids develop an inspired sense of place for our rivers and streams so that they grow up wanting to protect them. And all of our programs are completely free. Teachers can reach out to us and find out what works best for them and their students. We work with teachers to ensure that Oregon Department of Education learning objectives are met with our programs and activities. Whether it's science, art, outdoor exploration, or writing, our programs are designed to be flexible and creative, fun, and engaging. We get students outside to learn and be inspired to fall in love with the natural world. Reach out to us. Our programs fill up very fast every autumn and spring. If you're a teacher and you want to get your students involved in some of our interdisciplinary programs, email us today. At the Upper Deschutes Watershed Council, we're protecting and restoring our rivers and streams for future generations. Simultaneously, we're educating and engaging the students of today to become a future generation that is inspired, engaged, and empowered. Join us.